Hi everyone, and welcome. Is your Mac running slow, crashing, or acting strange? Don't worry, many common problems can be easily fixed. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the powerful, built-in tools on your macOS to detect and fix errors, keeping your computer in top shape. First, let's talk about your hard drive. Your Mac has a fantastic tool called Disk Utility. Think of it as a doctor for your storage. It can find and repair errors in the file system that might cause apps to crash or prevent your Mac from starting up. To use it, open your Applications folder, go to the Utilities folder, and launch Disk Utility. On the left, select your main startup disk, which is usually named Macintosh HD. Then, click the First Aid button at the top and click Run. Your Mac will check the disk for problems and try to fix anything it finds. It's a great first step for any general issue. Second, what if you suspect a hardware problem? Maybe your Mac is randomly shutting down. For this, you need Apple Diagnostics. This tool tests your Mac's internal components like memory and the main logic board. To start it, first shut down your Mac. If you have a newer Mac with an Apple Silicon chip, press and hold the power button until you see the startup options screen, then press and hold Command and D. For an older Intel-based Mac, turn it on and immediately press and hold the D key. The test will run automatically. If it finds an issue, it will give you a reference code that you can use to get help from Apple support. Third, sometimes the problem isn't an error, but a misbehaving application. This is where Activity Monitor comes in. You can find it in the same Utilities folder as Disk Utility. Activity Monitor shows you everything that's running on your Mac in real time. If your computer feels sluggish, open it and click on the CPU or Memory tab. Look for any app or process using a very high percentage of your resources. If you see something unfamiliar or a simple app using 99% of your CPU, you've likely found the culprit. You can select that process and click the X button at the top to force it to quit, which often solves the problem instantly. Finally, a powerful troubleshooting tool is Safe Mode. Starting in Safe Mode loads only the absolute essential parts of macOS. It prevents third-party login items, fonts, and system extensions from running. If your Mac works perfectly in Safe Mode, it tells you the problem is likely caused by software you installed. To enter Safe Mode on an Apple Silicon Mac, shut it down, then press and hold the power button. When the startup options appear, select your startup disk, then press and hold the Shift key and click Continue in Safe Mode. On an Intel Mac, just hold the Shift key as it boots up. Just booting into Safe Mode can sometimes fix issues because it also clears certain system caches. If the problem is gone, you can then focus on uninstalling recently added software to find the cause. So there you have it, 4 simple ways to diagnose and fix common errors on your Mac using tools you already have. Running these checks periodically can help keep your machine healthy and running fast. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.